We're looking at number 18. We're going to determine whether wxyz is a parallelogram. I'm going to be using the slope formula. If you can recall, slope is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this right here just means the change in y is over the change in x. We have to do this 4 times. So what we need to do is we need to find the slope between the following. We need to find between wx, we need to find it between xy, then we need to find it between, we did xy, yz, then we need to find it between, we just do it over here, we need to find it between zw. So if we have to have two pairs of slopes that are the same. If the slopes are the same, then it's going to be a parallelogram. If the slopes are different, it won't be a parallelogram. So wx, we have the following. We have 0, 8, and then we have 6, 10. Then we have for xy, we have 6, 10. Then we have -1, -1. Then we have -7, -3. And then we have -7, -3, 0, 8. Then I'm going to start labeling my subscripts. Subscripts is in order: x1, y1, x2, y2, x1, y1, x2, y2, x1, y1. Ooh, I forgot the z, huh? Or the y. -1, -1, x2, y2. And then we have x1, y1, x2, y2. So we're going to be using this formula. So we have it as 10 minus 8 all over 6 over 0. So we get the slope is equal to 2 over 6, which is equal to 1/3. That's our first slope. So we're doing the slope formula for this one, which would be -1 minus 10 over -1 minus 6, which is equal to -11 over -7, which is equal to 11 over 7. We'll do the slope over here. We have m is equal to -1 plus 3 over -1 plus 7, which is equal to 2 over 6, which is equal to 1 over 3. Ooh, that's a good start for us. We have right here, this slope is the same as this slope, which is good. But we have to have this xy have the same slope. Oops, didn't see that. We need to have the same slope between xy and zw as well. If that's not true, then we don't have a parallelogram. So m is equal to what we have here. We have m is equal to y2, which is 8 plus 3 over 0 plus 7. We have 11 over 7. Well, look at that. We do have the same slope. So this slope is the same as this slope. Therefore, what we have here is a parallelogram. So, using the slope formula, we have w, x, y, z is a parallelogram.